Okay, so in this video, we are going to understand how to handle the null value, right? So yesterday we have seen, right? So if you go for this line number 63 equal to
Yeah.
null, it will not work, right? So can you execute one more time? That
Sure. Yeah.
last statement, yeah. Right? So it's not working as expected, right? So what we are expecting,
Mhm.
can you run the line 58, 59?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Right, so this is what the result sets up of left join, right? So based on this,
Mhm.
Sunil don't have any order placed, so
Mm.
we can see that this is the null. And now our requirement is that we have to find out the customers who haven't placed any order.
In
So
order. Yeah.
simply we can in this result sets, if simply we add the, sorry, it's hobby's name, sorry, I had confusion with the customer and the student. Okay, so let's say now Sunil haven't add any hobbies while the registration
Mm.
form, so we have to find out the student those haven't add any hobbies. So as
Hobbies.
per
Yeah.
this result sets, I can see all the students, means it's mixed, right? That student who
Yeah.
have
Yeah.
this hobby and the student who don't have
Mhm.
hobby. Now, if I want to
Yeah.
filter this, simply I have to add a where conditions for hobby name, where hobby name is equal to null and my job is done. Okay. So for
Yeah.
that, yesterday we did equal to null conditions, right?
Yeah.
And
Mhm.
that's not work for us, right? So that means
Mhm.
null will not work with any arithmetic operations like equal to, not equal to. Okay.
Okay.
So
Got
that
it.
will
Okay.
not because this null values not able to map with your actual value, right? That's the reason it's not uh, uh, working as
Showing the
expected,
view.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
what we did yesterday, instead of equal to, we added is, right? Now you
Is.
can go and
Yeah.
add that is here.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll remove this and I'll add is.
Yeah. And now run.
Yeah. Now it is showing. Yeah.
Right, so now it's showing
Yeah.
is null, right? So that sounds good. So this is how we can handle the null value. Okay,
Mhm.
now
Got it.
let's say the interesting part, okay, how we can handle the null values. Okay, now
Yeah.
again go and run the line number 58 and 59.
The left join. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right. So let's say you have to represent this report to your principal, okay, where you have to
Hmm.
show that these are the students and these are the
Hmm.
hobbies. But there is one student Sunil, but that student Sunil, there is no hobby. Okay,
Hmm.
there is no hobby, but
Yeah.
no hobby added. Okay, so I
Yeah.
want to show this as a blank, or maybe I want to show some custom matches, no hobby added. Okay,
Mhm.
instead of null,
Got it.
because null will not be understandable format, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So I want to handle this null. Okay, so how you can handle this null? Any idea?
Mm,
No problem,
we
I'm
should.
going to tell you, I'm just asking, that's
Yeah.
fine. Okay,
Yeah.
so what you can do, okay, so there is one function in SQL.
Mhm.
Okay, so just enter and type is null. Okay,
Yeah.
don't keep any space in that.
Okay.
Is space null is different and is null is space. So, okay, now
Okay.
you can
Okay.
say this is in pink, right? So that means
Yeah. Yeah.
this is one function. Okay, this is
Okay.
system
Yeah.
defined function. Okay, can you give the bracket to them? Can you give
Yeah. Yeah.
bracket? Okay,
Yeah.
and in bracket you can give the value, okay, your value, and that, let's say, hobby name, right? And then what you
Yeah.
want, if this is null, what you want, okay, that we are going to implement. Okay, now, so
Got it.
I'm
Yeah.
giving you
Yeah.
the hands-on experience directly, instead of I'm showing to you how to write the code. I'm
Got
just
it.
asking you to write this code directly. Okay, so just go to line number 58. Okay,
Hmm. Yeah.
for
Yeah.
for
Here.
that
Yeah.
es dot hobby name, so before h dot hobby name, just type is null. Okay,
Here.
yeah, there is null,
Oh. Okay. It's none.
bracket. Okay, bracket.
Okay.
No, only open bracket.
Okay. Hmm.
Yeah. Now what we are saying is null. If the hobby name is null, okay, then
Mhm.
can you go after the hobby name, just put comma,
Hmm. Yeah. Yeah.
and in single quote, two single quotes.
Like hobby name
No,
totally
no, only single quotes, two single quotes.
for like hobby name. Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it. Got
Yeah,
it.
just add
Yeah.
single quote. Yeah. Close the
Yeah. Yeah.
bracket. Close the bracket.
Okay.
Done. Now,
Yeah.
can you run this line number 58?
Sure. Yeah. Yeah.
Right
Okay.
now you can see that
Yeah.
there are the two differences. Okay, now that
Mhm.
null is handled, right, with a blank value, because as per your function, you are saying if my hobby name is null, okay, instead of showing null, just show it as a blank. So is null is
Blank.
the is null is the system defined functions that handle your null value, and if it is true, it will give you the whatever the you are written in the single quote in the second
Okay.
parameters that it will return. Okay, now there is one more change. Can you see that there is one more change happened here in the result
Here?
sets, in the
Yeah,
result set?
the column name is gone.
Yeah, column name is gone. So when you applied any function on the column, that column name is gone. So you have to give alias to that column. Okay. So after
Okay.
that bracket, just give the alias, whatever the alias you want. Space as you can give hobbies. That's
Hmm.
still fine. Hobbies.
Okay. Yeah.
Right. Now run that.
Now I can, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you can see that there's hobbies, right? Good. So this
Yeah.
is how you can
Yeah,
handle
yeah,
the null
got it.
value, right? This is how you can
Got it.
handle the null
Yeah.
value. Now, next task is that instead of that blank, I want to show something custom message, no hobbies, like that. So what you can do in
Hmm.
that case, instead of blank,
Custom?
yeah, instead of
Yeah.
that blank, I want to show for Sunil, instead of that blank, I want to show as a no hobbies. This
No hobbies.
custom message,
Okay. Huh.
no hobbies that
Got
I
it.
want to show.
Got it.
So what you can
Yeah.
do in that single quote, instead of that single quote, if you add no hobbies hard coded, it will display as a no hobbies for all the students.
Here, right?
Yes, correct.
No hobbies. Okay. Can I run this?
Yeah,
Okay. Got it. Yeah.
yeah, correct. Can you see that now?
So
So
whatever we write in single quote, it will show in the
result set.
column. Yeah,
Yeah,
result.
correct,
Yeah.
correct,
Got
correct.
it.
So this is what the is null functions do. So is null is
Got
the
it.
system defined functions. First parameter is your value from your column, and if that column value is
Okay.
null, in that case it will give you the no hobbies.
So,
But if that value is not null, it will give you the actual column value. So if you can see for first
mhm.
6 rows, it has given the same value hobbies
Yeah,
as
yeah.
per the data. Okay, it will not touch to
Mhm.
your data. It will touch
Got
to
it.
your data only if the value is null.
Null. Yeah,
Got
yeah.
it? So now
Got it. Yeah.
this result set is now in a good readable format. Right now you can represent this report
Yeah.
to let's say your class teacher or principal. Now from
Mhm.
this the picture is very clear, right? Suma have three
Yeah.
hobbies, Kiran have
Yeah.
two hobbies, Akshay have one hobby, and Sunil have no hobbies, right? So this is a meaningful and end user readable format. Okay, so this is how
Yeah.
we handle the null values. Okay, now
Got
again
it.
interesting fact is that now in the second line number 61 to 63, right? So where you
Yeah.
handle the with is null, right? So you can
Mm-hmm.
handle this now you can handle this with is null as well, right? So
Got it. Yeah, yeah,
how you can handle this? So can you run 60 line number 61 to 63,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
right? So this is
Mm-hmm.
one way to get the result sets of the null values.
Mm-hmm.
Second way is that just copy paste that all the code and put below,
Yeah, yeah.
right? Remove that line number 65 first.
Fine. Okay, this one.
Hmm. Okay. Now go to line number 78. Sorry, 70.
70. Yeah.
Yeah, handle that is null where h dot hobby name is null.
Mm.
Remove that is null, is space null. Remove that first.
Okay.
Remove that. Okay. Now go to the where column, where condition h dot hobby name, right? So add is null there.
Okay.
After where? After where? After where?
Okay. After where?
Handle
Okay.
that column, right? H dot hobby name space is
Mhm.
null. Open bracket.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. After then after hobby name,
One sec.
just yeah. After
I'll
hobby
just, there should not be space.
and that's fine.
Fine.
That's work, but because SQL is not that what I can say case sensitive, or that in Python you get that error, right? If space
Okay,
extra
okay.
space is there,
Uh-huh.
so same things not. So SQL
Okay.
is that much friendly. Okay, yeah, not case sensitive, so that's okay.
I should do the same here, like,
Single quote, just give the single quote.
yeah, yeah.
Hmm. Close bracket.
Yeah.
Perfect. Equal to
Okay.
single quote. Okay, so if you remember last time we added where s.hobbies name is equal to is
Hmm.
null and it was not
Yeah.
worked, right? But now we are
Yeah.
handling the value and now equal operator will work because we are handling the is null,
Now it
right?
will show blank
Uh, can you guess?
where hobby name. Hmm. It will show blank, I feel.
No, just
Let's
run
see.
that. I will tell you.
Yeah. Again, null.
Yeah, see. So what happened in this scenario? You handle the where you handle the column in the where condition, not in the select list, right?
Okay.
So you handled in the where criteria, right? So that's why
Hmm.
that is null value is handled. If this is null, you have put the single quote, right? And equal to the single quote.
Okay.
So that condition matched, and that's why you got the results for Sunil. But why it
Hmm.
is null? Because in the select list you haven't handled that null value, right? So you can
Yeah, yeah,
handle
yeah.
on top of this, you can handle in the select list as well. So can you
Okay.
handle in a null? Can you handle null value in your select list for
Yeah,
hobby
yeah,
name?
yeah. Yeah. Hmm. Here I can put hobby name. Hobbies.
N-
No,
no hobby,
no. This single code. Okay.
no hobbies. That will be alias name. That what you're thinking.
Yeah, okay. Now I can put right
Yeah.
as hobbies. Yeah.
Hmm. Good. Now you can add
But
instead of blank, you can add
sir,
no.
what's the difference between like where condition for where condition we used is right yesterday?
Hmm.
It still showed null.
This one that you are talking about 661 to 63.
Only the where condition I'm speaking about.
Yeah.
Yesterday, like when we used where is like null, it was shown as like null only, the result.
Can you add that statement again? Copy paste just.
Yeah, like here,
Copy paste
where
that. No, no, copy paste that statement. No problem. Just copy from 61 to
this
63.
one, this
Yeah.
one, yeah, this
Yeah.
one I'm saying.
Yeah. This one
It's
also,
still showed as
yeah,
null.
this will also give the same result. So there are the two
Okay,
ways to handle the null values. Is that
okay,
hobby
got
name
it.
is null, and if you want to handle with not equal to, okay, with not equal to,
Hmm.
okay.
Okay.
So as I said, null value will not work with arithmetic operators like
Yeah,
equal
yeah,
to,
yeah.
not equal to. So you have two
Okay.
options. First is you can go with is null, it will work. And
Hmm.
second option is that you can handle the null value. If it is null, give me the single quote. Now it will work with the equal to operator, right? So in the line
Hmm.
number 70, what you did, that hobby name handled with null value. So for Sunil, it's a single quote, now blank, and blank equal to blank is matching, right? And that's why you got this
Even
result set.
when I am using is null, I can still handle with is null in select in 61 to 63.
Hmm. Hmm.
I can do the same query, right? Which I've done in 68, the select, you know?
Is null, right? So for
Yeah,
that,
is null.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, you can do that.
So these are two different ways.
Yeah, these are the two different ways to handle the is null. In where
Got it,
condition, we
got
are
it,
talking about where conditions. Okay, don't get
got
confused
it,
with the select list. In the select list,
got
we are
it,
handling
got it,
same things happen in the where condition as well. So just to
got it.
handle in the where conditions, these are the two options: is null and
Mhm.
below one is that is null. Go with some single quote and equal to
Got
single
it.
quotes, right? So this
Yeah,
now I will tell you one more thing. Now just copy this line number 61 to 63 and put
yeah.
below. Copy all these two statements, 61 to 63 and 68 to 71. Copy both the statements. Okay.
These both, right?
Yeah. Copy and paste below. Okay. Now
Yeah.
let's focus on line number 70 to 72. Okay. Now this will, can you execute this? 70 to 70 to 72.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So this result set is giving me the students who don't have any hobby. Now I want just keep that lip join as it is. Okay. Just to understand one more scenario, can you help me, to get the student having hobbies? I want the students, those students, only those students who have the hobby. So I want all the
Hobbies.
result set. Instead of that Sunil, I want all the students. How you can do that?
You instead of student,
Instead of Sunil, okay.
uh-huh,
So
you
instead
want
of all
all
the
of
students who have
them.
the hobbies,
Hmm.
okay.
Okay. Okay.
So how you can do that? You
Left
just
join only.
in a left join, you'll get all the students.
Student name, I can do right join if I want hobby name.
No, no, I don't
No?
want what I want the student. End of the day,
You want student.
I want all the student who has hobbies. Who in
Okay,
the
only
so
hobbies.
yeah, the first option is that join, right? Using join,
Yeah,
you'll
yeah,
get that
no.
matching, right?
Fine, yeah.
That you
Yeah.
already did. Now, what I'm
Yeah.
saying in the same query, if you just tweak one single line, you will get that result. Okay. So I'll tell you the magic.
Okay.
Okay, just go in the
Yeah,
line
yeah.
number 72, and instead of
Mm-hmm.
where is null, after is space, just go there. Okay, is after is
Mm-hmm.
okay, after
After is.
is
Okay.
space,
Yeah.
after
Mm-hmm.
is give the space, not space. No, now run that.
Okay, it's not null.
You'll
Oh,
get all the students. Okay.
got it. Yeah, yeah.
Now, same way you handle this in the below. Okay. Can you go to the line number 76, and instead of
Yeah,
equal
yeah.
to, can you please add not equal to?
Okay. How was it added?
Okay, no
Not
problem.
equal.
No, no,
I
that's
don't.
fine. That's absolutely fine. I understand.
Yeah.
You can either
Uh,
add this way. Okay, I'm text you,
yeah.
or you can do this.
Is there any key where I can put not equals to? How to do it?
There only, yeah, equal to, remove that equal to sign.
Yeah.
Yeah, and paste that whatever I'm given to you. Less than and
Okay.
greater than sign.
Oh, less than and greater than.
Yeah, not
Okay.
equal to.
I didn't knew that.
Yeah, no problem. Absolutely fine.
Yeah, yeah.
Because actually, I want to teach you that all that arithmetic operations in the
Yeah.
SQL. So don't worry.
This one
Yeah,
without space.
correct, correct. Now you can run that.
Okay.
You got it? So both
Got
the
it,
things
got
doing
it.
the same thing, is null and
It's not null.
is not null. Okay, again, is null. I have given the not equal to single quote. That means it will handle the null. If for the null, if there is null, it will give the single quotes, and it's not equal to single quote. So that means
Okay.
it giving me the all these records. Okay, understand?
Got it, yeah.
Now can you do copy paste 74 to 76?
I mean, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now remove that is null from the 80 line number 80.
Yeah.
Re remove that is
Yeah.
yeah, remove that bracket as well, and remove that single quote as well. I just want to show you if you not handle the null, it will not work with your is not equal to. Okay. Now can you run this?
It's
Yeah, it's working. The reason is that you already
working.
handled in the select list. That's why it's working. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
can you remove from the 78 line as well? That is null.
78. Okay. Hmm.
Remove that bracket and all that stuff related to is null function. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Can you run now?
Hmm. Name,
Okay.
hobby name. Hmm.
Hobby name. Still it's working?
Yeah, it's working.
Yeah, okay. So what happened here is not equal to, because you have given the single quotes, right? So that means it's giving you the it giving you the those are not a single quote values, right? So it's not comparing
Hmm.
with the null. As I said, it's not comparing with the null,
Hmm.
right? So it's not
Okay.
working with your null. Okay. So
Hmm.
can you, instead of single quote, can you add as a null there?
Yeah.
Instead of single quotes, can you add null is not equal to null? Now run that. So it's not working, it's not match, it's not handling the null
Hmm.
value. Okay, the
Got it. Yeah.
simple things that I want to teach you, that it's not handling, if you are not handling the null value, it will not compare properly and you will not get the expected results. Okay, so always make sure that when you are working on the real-time projects, okay, you must have to
Hmm.
handle that is null value. Okay,
Got it. Got it.
right?
Okay. Hmm.
So you can remove that line 78 to 78 to 80, because I don't want to make you more confusion. Just try to
Yeah.
go through all that scripts and try to understand how null is working. Okay,
Yeah.
how is null is working, is not null, is not
Hmm.
null working in the where condition, and at the same
Yeah.
time understand how in select list
Hmm.
how the is null is working, and how you can give the hard coded value custom
Hmm.
message in when there is null values. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
okay. So I think we can stop here, Suma, for today's
Is there
session.
any like assignment you want me to work on this?
Yeah, for this, okay, for I will give you the assignment for this, okay, later. The three assignments
Yeah.
that I given to you today, right, on
I'll
WhatsApp.
try them. Yeah.
WhatsApp.
Yeah.
So you just try for that, and on top of this, I will give the assignment for this as well. Okay, later I will
Sure. Sure.
text
Sure.
you on the WhatsApp for this.
Okay. Or
Okay.
else I can just take some random, I can create some random tables and try.
Yeah, definitely you can try. First, try
Yeah.
this. Try to understand this code, what
Yeah.
we did. Okay. Try
Yeah.
to write the code again and do the practice,
Yeah.
and
Yeah. Sure.
you can
Yeah.
take a random data and try to handle that with a
Sure.
null.
Sure. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Good.
Okay.
Let me
Okay.
stop the recording.